In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable inverted colors on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side underneath Vision, select Display. And where it says Invert Colors, if it's toggled to the right, just click inside that oval to toggle to the left to disable, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.